So I am a little behind opening the Yallah boxes. I actually have April's and May's here, so we'll be doing both today at the same time. So I will start with the April box. So there is a free coaching, which is cool. I have not heard of this particular dancer before, so it'll be fun to look her up. Another Evil Eye Candy. These were really good. There is, looks like a little Zill pouch, or just a pouch. Actually, I think, yeah, it looks like a little Zill pouch. It's super cute. And a hair clip, little evil eye looking hair clip, along with the business card, Magical Fashions. Very cool. Another business card, Indian traditional jewelry. I'm not sure whose. Have these little bindies, along with olive oil soap. It smells like olive oil soap if you've ever used it before. And this pretty little dish. It says grease on it. Blue soap holder, although I probably won't use this for soap, personally. So that is really cool. Recently got some new Zill, so that'll be fun. And the little coaching is for one free online half-an-hour coaching session or a private lesson. So that is the April box. Very cool. I'll be eating this immediately. Well, as soon as this is done. But yeah, a lot of nice, useful things there. And now to May's box. Oh. Right out of the bat. Oh, a free course with Victoria Teel. Very nice. I've taken some classes from her before. They're nice. Oh, okay. I see things wrapped in tissue paper and loose candy. So, I believe I've had some of these pretty early on. They were very yummy. I'm not sure how to pronounce them. Ibon. A couple more of those. And then what's not wrapped, we have, ooh, pretty little mirror. Looks like a mirror. Not sure what it is. Yes. Nice little mirror with embossed on the front. That's pretty. There is more candy. Ah, a little Egypt keychain. More candy. Let's see what's wrapped. Oh, very pretty. Very nice looking necklace. Get this over my chopstick. Oh, little boss statue. Very pretty. And then this guy looks like a litter opener, if I'm guessing correctly. I wouldn't want to It feels a little too sharp to put in my hair, so I'm assuming letter opener here. But yeah. A lot of really nice stuff these last couple of months. If you would like to subscribe as well, I will have the link down below, along with if they continue to have discount codes on the top of their screen, which you will also find yourself when you click on it. I'll have that linked as well. So yeah, this is everything from the April and May Yallah box. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to see some more, and let me know in the comments if you have subscribed. So, see you soon. Bye.